So good afternoon everyone. So I am your teacher for today. I am Sir Genesis A. Padayaw from Leon Ginto Memorial College. Taking the Bachelor of Secondary Education, major in English. So now, how's your day? I hope everyone's fine. Now we will have our classroom rules before we proceed to our topic for today. Okay, we have the word Genesis. The Genesis stands for G, give respect, E, engage actively, N for no distractions, and E, everyone's voice matters. And S, stay organized, I for integrity first, and S, strive for excellence. Now, since we already um, proceed to our classroom rules, now we will have an activity for today. It calls Complete Me. Okay?
Okay.
You're gonna answer all the boxes here. Okay, since you identify the words in the boxes, I want you to give me your ideas about it. For the number one, let's start. What is idea about the word value?
My idea about value is
Okay. Okay, correct. Sir, it means, I think it means importance or word. Okay, for the number two, what about the number two, the word fact?
fact means something that is known or proved to be true.
Okay, very good. It is something that is true. Okay, very good. What about the number three, the word policy?
Policy is a plan or rules that is implemented by government or any party that is needed to be followed, sir.
Okay, very good. Thank you for your answer. How about our last word, which is the claim?
Claim means assertion.
Okay. Okay, very good. It is an assertion. Now, class, do you have any idea about the topic for today?
I don't have any idea about our topic for today, sir.
Okay, it's very clear here. Okay, our topic for today is about claims of fact, policy, and value. Now, since you already know what is our topic for the day, let's have another activity. It is called Truth or Talks and Order. Now, here is the instruction of it. The teacher will give you the statement or a certain topic. The student will answer true, talk, or order. True if it's true, talk if it's opinion, and order if it's giving a rule of instructions that needed to be followed. Okay, are you ready, class?
Yes, we're ready.
Okay, for our number one, Pepsi is better than Coke. What is your answer?
Talk.
Okay, it is talk. Very good. For number two, okay, before we proceed, it is talk because we can say that some people prefer Pepsi and some people prefer Coke. Okay, do you follow?
Yes.
Okay. For the number two, black smoke can destroy the ozone layer.
Talk.
Okay, very good. It is
Since
talks.
it is only an opinion.
Yes, very good. Because some scientific study that the black smoke can not destroy the ozone layer, but some of the scientific data is the black smoke can destroy the ozone layer. Okay, for the number three, eating meat is better than eating vegetables. It's talk, true, or order.
Talk.
Okay, very good. It is talks. Now, some people have what we call vegetarian, and some people love to eat meat. That's why it is a talks. Okay, for our number four, student, the government must ensure the healthcare without cost for all citizens. What is the answer?
Order.
Okay, very good. It is an order. For our number five, treating others with empathy and respect is a core Filipino value that reflects true moral or practical perspective. It is truth, talk, or order.
True.
Okay, very good class. Now, since you discover what is the claims, fact, fallacy, and value, a claim is a statement or assertion that that is the answer earlier, that present an idea, opinion, or argument that can be supported or disputed evidence. It is physically the central point of an argument or a discussion. Okay. The characteristic as a good claim. First, a claim should be argumentative, and debatable. Second, a claim should be specific and focused. For the number 3, a claim should be interesting and engaging. And for the number 4, a claim should be logical. Okay, for the example here, eating meat is better than eating vegetable. We can see that there's a debate in here. Some people prefer to eat meat, and some people prefer to eat vegetables. Now, do you think it's a good claim? Yes, it is a good claim. No, sir, this is not a good claim. We can see in the social media, people debate about it, especially into groups. And okay, next is the claim of value. A claim of value is based on preference, such as like or, dislikes, or good or bad. It is usually compared to two ideas against one another. Example of it is doing homework is more important than playing games. We can see that there's a value in here. If we do some playing some games before we work or doing our homework, it will affect our study. Some of it will affect our grades, and some of it will affect our sleep, our schedule in sleeping and time. So a claim is a statement or assertion that present an idea or opinion or argument that can be supported or disputed with evidence. It is typically the central point of an argument or a discussion. Claims are the building blocks of arguments and serve as the starting point for presenting evidence, reasoning, or examples to either prove or challenge them. So okay, since we our topic for today is claims, facts, values, and policy, now you will be better to understand all of the topic that we discussed today. For now, this will be the end of our discussion for today. So I am Sir Genesis Padayaw. I'm gonna signing off.